the separate segments here. So this is the ship still in flight in a normal time. Let's roll it if you're okay with that. And I will tell you when to stop here. So we will wait for the engine shot to appear, and I want to give you a bit of like what I looked at and why I think it's a leak. So stop here, and please, if you can, remove the ticker because I need to bottom if that's possible, Kevin. And what is interesting here is look at this area. I'm teleshading here, and you will see the interesting thing that you will have to remember here. You don't see anything, right? There's no gas coming from this. There's nothing. Look at the general how it looks. There's no fire. This is this spot that you see at the bottom here. This is what you need to remember. Now, how do I remove actually the erase all? Now, please go to the moment where we see the engine doing the rut. Like I think it's 750, if we can do that. Because I think it's it's another leak. So we're going through booster catch, cool. Everything looking good, and stop. You see that?
Wow.
There's a leak. There's gas coming outside of the engine section, not out of the engine. This is this one, the engine burning. That's just part of it. There's all kinds of oxygen coming from the bottom here, or like liquid methane. They're leaking gas into the engine bay. That is what is killing this, because nozzles are not built to get fire from the outside, right? That's not how all of this is built. So basically, you will just get a burn through of everything because there's a fire again present in the engine section.
So if you go forward just a little bit, right to where the lower right-hand corner, right where the engine's cut out, is it the vacuum engine that goes first, or is it that engine that you have highlighted? You'll see it in the lower right-hand corner. I thought it was the vacuum engine that went first, potentially taking out the two inner sea level engines, but it could be the other way around. Go ahead, Alex.
You can see it there it goes, and it's one vacuum, and at the same time the sea level opposite to it, and then right next to that the other sea level, and then the third sea level goes out. If we continue here,
that's a weird configuration. If it was an explosion, you'd think one engine would take out the ones nearest it.
4.
And then 4. That's
and then it's
that's the order.
And then it starts to spin because you've got two vacuum optimized Raptors just pushing that back into that ship all the way around. That's interesting. Good. Look at that. Yeah, all kinds of things are going wrong here. That was a great catch, Adrian.
Yeah, that's the so I'm what I'm trying to get here is it's just basically at the moment where we see that fire in there, the damage is already done. The explosion is just a symptom of the whole thing. But like the moment we see, you look at that fire over there, like Alex spotted earlier, that's already that story done.
Yeah. Now the interesting thing is this camera caught what happened. I wonder if SpaceX will release the video of this camera right here, because they go to an external shot and then we see things going on with the engines. But if they release that's going to be interesting.
Yeah, sorry, we are analyzing as we go here, so sometimes it takes a moment. But yeah, of course, this is just basically the end of it. But the failure happens a bit earlier.
Hey,
and huge Texas House check, super chat, just saying go, and it did go. And here's sorry, I have to jump in here. Look at that. You can see the engines exploding.
Yep. No.
Oh, wow.
That's broken.
He's looking at the screen. He's looking at the screen. He's looking at the screen. And now, get ready. There.
Boom. Boom.
Oh.
And boom.
Oh, that's...
Maybe
Yep.
flight director of that Anomaly.
Oh, yeah, that's broken.
That's an engine rapidly turning into a lot of pieces.
Yep.
So yeah, that again, we are still in this situation. Is this the cause, or is this just a symptom? And I at least feel relatively confident that this is just more a symptom than the cause.
Yeah. And guys, I can't say this enough. Look at the access that we have to see this. This is absolutely incredible that this is open for us and we're part of it. Absolutely crazy that we have this. And I think we're going to go. Are we going to go to Ryan? Ryan for another update in the control room? Are we going to Ryan next?